And one of my notable achievements was the leading the transformation project for a global F&B clients in their sales process. Over the past 14 years, I have had the privilege of leading various multiple projects or multiple initiatives.
Hello, everyone. Welcome to FaceTime with Leaders, a podcast series by World Development Corporation. I am Rajesh Joshi, uncovering some great achievements and contributions of unsung heroes inspiring others. We have the honor to uncover the vital aspect of Mr. Praveen Kumar Jha's career journey. After working in the initial phase for 10 years in various project management roles, he is currently working with DXC for the last 15 years at various capacities in project and delivery management consultant and various other roles, helping the organization grow. I'm eager to begin our show with you, Mr. Jha. We welcome you to this podcast.
Thank you for your warm introduction.
So, Mr. Jha, you spent a considerable amount of time at DXC. I'm really curious to know about your biggest achievements and how you earned them.
Yeah, thank you for the introduction. My journey at DXC has been marked by the continuous growth and significant achievement. Over the past 14 years, I have had the privilege of leading various multiple projects or multiple initiatives uh, during the in the DXC
Okay.
that have not only driven the success for my client, it also given the reputation to the DXC as a leader in the digital transformation.
Absolutely. Absolutely, sir.
And yeah,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Please go ahead.
and one of my notable achievement was the leading the transformation project for a global F&B clients in their sales process. Okay, they we transform the system, sales process system, into a centralized. Basically, that system was fragmented and regionally distributed in the various regions, and we have transformed them into the global central supply chain process. And that
Okay.
has not only increased the efficiency of the client, but also given the operational transparency to
Wow.
the client.
Wow.
And for this, for this event, for this collaboration, DXC has awarded me as a collaborator award recently.
Congratulations on that. That's really great.
Thank you.
Well, needless to say, Mr. Jha, your achievements are truly great. With your unquestionable technical knowledge, you've handled several types of roles across the finance industry, providing technical solutions. So, how did you build such a portfolio?
Thank you. The building my portfolio has been a journey of continuous learning and sizing the sizing the opportunity to the growth. And in my career, earlier in my career, I have earned the cost management accounting qualification. That has given or provided me a solid foundation in my financial management, costing, and strategic planning.
Okay.
And this qualification has been crucial for in the shaping of my career in to the finance and business operation, and allowing me to add the value through the cost optimization and the financial governance. Oh, yeah.
Right, fantastic. So, sir, basically what you're saying is that you have actually used your financial knowledge and also acquired your technical IT knowledge and blended both of them to come up with some solutions that
Yeah.
you could actually use for maybe DXC or for its clients.
Yeah. So over the several years, I have taken the diverse route that have expanded my expertise beyond the finance as well
Wow.
into the area like taxation, accounting, and ERP implementation.
Okay.
And I have continuously upskilled myself through the certification, just like the S/4HANA certification, project management certification, and to stay ahead in the rapidly evolving technical landscape. And my approach has been always to encompass the challenges and leverage them to the opportunity to grow, which deepen my knowledge and broaden my skill set, particularly in finance and controlling, which remain to core to my professional identity.
Fantastic, fantastic. This approach that you're talking about, Mr. Jha, this attitude towards upskilling, this attitude towards always trying to update yourself, upskill yourself. I believe this is one of the best mantras that you can actually give to all our young viewers who must be listening to this podcast, sir. So your journey is highly inspiring, I must say. Leadership is another quality that helps you through your day-to-day work. I would love to know how you built it and how you put it to use.
Yeah, the leadership has been a crucial aspect in my career, and I have always approached it with the mindset of servant leadership.
Wow.
And my leadership journey began with focus on the detailed project planning, from the conceptualization to execution and the continuous improvement. I have always emphasized on clear communication, setting the realistic goals, and encouraging as a collaborative environment, so that
Wow.
the team members feel valued and empowered. And in practice, I am deeply involved in every phase of the project, from defining the vision and aligning with the business objective to ensure that the team has support and the resource needed to succeed. I also encourage innovation and creativity within the team, which not only drive the project successfully, but also contribute to the individual with growth and engagement. Over the year, this approach has been helped me to lead the project team to deliver the project successfully, consistently meeting and often exceeding the client expectation.
Fantastic, fantastic. Mr. Jha, I must say, you have rather uh, almost all the qualities of a leader that actually are theoretically described in books, that a leader should be this, a leader should be that. And a couple of points that I would take away from whatever you have described as of now is that the most important part, which I feel, is communicating with your team, which is very much at the core of the entire project management. And second, aligning them to the vision that maybe the project leader has, or maybe the customer has, or maybe the management team has. I think these are the 2 points which actually allow a very seamless flow of ideas, of creativity amongst the team, and uh, then the challenges of managing diverse individuals with various ideas, then it slightly becomes lower, and the productivity actually goes up. Hats off to you, Mr. Jha. I mean, truly good project management skills come with great team management abilities, as it is rightly said. Moving on to the other question, Mr. Jha, having spent over 2.5 decades in your field, are there some lessons you have learned the hard way that you would like to share with our viewers today?
Yeah, indeed, there has been many lessons I have learned over the years.
Right.
One of the most significant lessons is the importance of adaptability. Adaptability. The business landscape is constantly changing,
Right.
and being the rigid in your approach can lead the missed opportunity and project setback.
Yes.
And earlier in my career, I have learned the hard way, that sticking to the closely to the predetermined goal, and without the room for any flexibility, can result the challenges when unforeseen unforeseen issue will arise.
Completely understandable, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much, Mr. Jha, for sharing such valuable insights. Thanks for sharing such valuable insights, Mr. Jha. Certainly, our viewers feel very enlightened knowing such information from an industry insider. Now that you've decided to up your game in corporate governance as you wish to take up a directorship role, what are your plans for it?
Yeah, my decision to pursue the directorship role is driven by a desire to leverage my extensive expertise and experience in the strategic corporate governance.
Okay.
Okay, with over the 25 years in industry, I have developed a deep specialization in finance and costing,
Okay.
which has been cornerstones of my career.
Mhm.
And the expertise is coupled with my strong knowledge in the field of digital transformation and the global project management. Uniquely positioned me to contribute meaningful to the in the board meeting setting. Additionally, I am committed to stay indeed or updated with the latest development and in the corporate governance to ensure that I bring in the most relevant and effective perspective to the board. And one thing is that Director Institute has also involved me in preparing for this next step.
What I find most laudable in your journey is that one, it is planned at every step. And as I have mentioned it earlier, and as you have actually emphasized the importance of it, that you have not shied away from updating, upskilling, keeping yourself updated, abreast with newer developments. And that truly is a hallmark of somebody who's really planning his career in the most possible, in the most proper, efficient way, sir. Right, sir. Finally, sir, before we end the conversation, I would like to know that since you have chosen Directors Institute as a stepping stone to a directorship role, how has your experience been with us so far?
My experience with the Director Institute has been incredibly enriching. The program has been provided with me the deep understanding of corporate governance, responsibility of the board members, and the challenges which boards are facing today's day. The insight and knowledge I have gained through the Director Institute that will be naturally helpful for me to perform the responsibility of the board independent director, which is a significant achievement of my career. Have not only prepared me for a directorship role, but also enhanced my ability to contribute significantly to any organization I serve.
That's incredible, and I'm really very glad, Mr. Jha, that your experience with us is really helping you understand the various facets of being an independent director. Mr. Jha, this interaction was very enriching, and I'm sure that you'll continue with your spree of performance and delivery even in your new role. We wish you all the very best, and we thank you for joining us on this podcast. I'm 100% sure all our viewers will be really, really inspired after listening to how you have planned your career journey and how are you seeing your next move by enrolling with the Directors Institute. Thank you very much, Mr. Jha, for your time.
Thank you.